10 Habits of Elon Musk to Become Rich. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating habits that have propelled one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time, Elon Musk, to incredible wealth. 1. Relentless passion and vision. First and foremost, Elon Musk's relentless passion and unwavering vision have played a pivotal role in his success. Elon is known for dreaming big, pushing boundaries, and tackling audacious goals that others deemed impossible. His vision is the driving force behind his endeavors, such as Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. 2. Continuous learning and adaptability. Elon Musk is an insatiable learner. He devours books, seeks advice from experts, and is always eager to expand his knowledge. Additionally, he embraces change and adapts to new technologies and market trends. This constant pursuit of learning and adaptability allows him to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging opportunities. 3. Strong work ethic. One of the key habits that contributed to Elon Musk's success is his exceptional work ethic. Elon is renowned for his long working hours, relentless drive, and commitment to achieving his goals. He sets ambitious targets, maintains a laser focus, and is not afraid to get his hands dirty. This relentless work ethic has been instrumental in his rise to wealth. 4. Bold risk-taking. Elon Musk is no stranger to taking risks. He has a remarkable ability to evaluate risks and make bold decisions, even in the face of uncertainty. Whether it's investing his fortune in revolutionary ventures or challenging established industries, Elon's calculated risk-taking has paid off handsomely and propelled him to great financial success. 5. Surrounding himself with brilliant minds. Host, Elon Musk understands the value of collaboration and surrounds himself with brilliant minds. He assembles top-notch teams that share his vision and complement his skills. By surrounding himself with talented individuals, Elon creates a powerful synergy that accelerates progress and drives innovation. 6. Embracing failure as a stepping stone. Failure is a natural part of any journey, and Elon Musk recognizes this. Rather than being discouraged by setbacks, he embraces failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. Elon believes that each failure brings him one step closer to success, and this resilient mindset has been instrumental in his wealth-building endeavors. 7. Long-term thinking. Elon Musk is known for his long-term thinking and strategic planning. He sets ambitious goals for the future and works tirelessly to achieve them. Elon's ability to see beyond immediate gains and focus on long-term value has allowed him to build sustainable businesses and generate significant wealth. 8. Disrupting established industries. Elon Musk's habit of disrupting established industries has been a game-changer. From revolutionizing the electric vehicle market with Tesla to reimagining space exploration with SpaceX, Elon Musk identifies stagnant industries and injects innovation, creating new opportunities and amassing tremendous wealth in the process. 9. Taking care of mental and physical well-being. Becoming rich isn't just about financial success, it's about holistic well-being. Elon Musk understands this and emphasizes the importance of taking care of mental and physical health. Regular exercise, quality sleep, and practicing mindfulness are habits that allow him to maintain peak performance and tackle challenges with clarity and focus. 10. Giving back to society. Last but not least, Elon Musk believes in giving back to society. As his wealth has grown, he has directed his resources towards philanthropic endeavors. From tackling climate change to advancing renewable energy solutions, Elon's philanthropic efforts demonstrate his commitment to making a positive impact on the world. And there you have it, 10 habits that have propelled Elon Musk to incredible wealth. Remember, these habits are not exclusive to Elon, they can be applied to anyone's journey towards success. So, embrace passion, embrace learning, and embrace the spirit of relentless pursuit. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for greatness.